So Bitcoin is making a significant high, and personally, I am expecting that this very candle right here move a little bit to the upside, and if we see a breakout on this level of important resistance right here, then we're going to see the next all-time high for Bitcoin. We have a lot to talk about today in this very video, ranging from if the bull market is going to happen, and if it's going to be super parabolic all the way to the upside, even beyond expectation, and the reason why I think the bull market is going to happen, okay? And this is my personal opinion. I'll be discussing all of these and many more in this very video. So pay attention and watch this video along all the way to the very end. The first thing that is very important here is we see this very drop all the way to this very area, and all of a sudden we see this movement to the upside and market begin to move upward since yesterday. This very movement we're seeing right now is owing to the fact that there is a bill in the US called the One Big Beautiful Bill that, if it's passed in the House today as expected, is going to create a massive boom in the US economy. We see this, that was in 2017 when President Trump initiated that massive tax cut, okay? So if there is a massive tax cut in the economy and there is deregulation and a lot of those stuff, then it means that the market is going to definitely react to that kind of scenario around the economy, and definitely the economy is going to boom. And my personal expectation is that the US economy is going to boom very hard, and this is very important. And if the US economy is going to boom very hard, then it also means that the market for crypto is going to increase all the way to the upside. This is my personal opinion, and from what I am seeing from data. Now, if you go to 2017, that is, you can fact check me, okay? If you go to 2017 and see what happened in 2017, Fed did not cut rate in 2017. And I see a lot of people say, if Fed did not cut rate, the bull market will not happen and some stuff like that. You may be correct, okay? In my opinion, even though Fed did not cut rate, the bull market is still going to happen. That is just it. And in my opinion, Fed is definitely going to cut rate this very year because inflation is cooling all the way to the downside from what we see November last year, September, November last year, when Fed cut rates. At that time, inflation was 2.5, 2.4%. But this very year, we've seen inflation drop to 2.3, 2.2%. So Fed supposed cut rates. But the reason why the Federal Reserve Chairman, Jerome Powell, is saying he's not going to cut rate is because of the Trump tariff, that it posed uncertainty on the economy. I understand that fact, but the fact remains that inflation is cooling down in the face of Trump tariff, which means it's still going to come all the way to the downside because negotiations are on the way. And by the way, trade deals are going to be announced in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So this is what we need to pay attention to right now. So for those of you that are still asking whether is the bull market still going to happen or is not going to happen, is it going to be super bullish? In my opinion, this is my personal opinion right now, I still believe 80% to 90% that the bull market is going to happen and is going to be very bullish, okay? It may be not that very aggressive parabolic as we see in 2013, but is going to very significant and better than what we see in 2021. And this is my personal opinion, okay? And what that means is, if you've not buy your favorite altcoin, this is the best time to buy because altcoins are still very low. We are not in the alt season yet. Let's switch back to the Remit channel right here on Telegram to digest a lot of on-chain and fundamental data that are key to market moving all the way to the upside. If you've not joined the channel, join right now. Link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel. The first one here is the US unemployment rate drops to 4.1%, beating expectation. Now, when we say unemployment rate is dropping, it means employment rate is increasing. Today, 144 jobs were added to the US economy. Now, when we say 144k jobs were added, okay, that is 144,000 jobs were added. We mean private sector jobs, not federal government jobs. Now, if federal government is hiring, it's different from private sector hiring because CEOs and MDs of company will not hire if the economy is not doing well, that is just the truth. It's simple economics. So if the economy is doing well, they are seeing productivity, they are seeing income coming in, then definitely they will want to expand and take advantage of the booming economy. So this is a good news for the market. Market will definitely boom. And next week or upper week CPI data, I expect it to be very good, even though it's not super good. And this is very important. Market is going to respond to this, and market is going to move all the way to the upside. The next data we need to pay attention to as well is this very Buffett indicator hit a record 205%, market on fire. That's way above the dot-com bubble. If you know the dot-com bubble, you know anything about that. And the 2021 mania, what does that mean? Fair value is 100%. We are double that. Are we at the top, or we're just getting started? In my opinion, we are just getting started. Things have not moved yet. Market is going to move aggressively all the way to the upside, and this is very important thing you need to pay attention to right now. Bitcoin percentage supply on exchanges has dropped to near 7 years low, to 14.5% for the first time since August 2018. What does that mean for you? On-chain data analysis. Very important data right here. If Bitcoin supply has dropped this much to 7 years low, what does it mean? It means that people are not selling their Bitcoin, number one. It also means that the supply of Bitcoin has dropped significantly, number two. It also means that investors, especially corporate investors, are buying big and keeping it in their reserve, further increasing reduction in supply. What that means is an aggressive pump is going to come in because of the demand for Bitcoin. So these are the things you need to focus on right here. In my opinion, the bull market is a guarantee, 80-90%. The only thing that can distort the bull market is number one, war. And I don't see that coming anymore since the Israel-Iran war have been settled. And the next thing here is the Trump tariff. The Trump tariff has come and gone. Negotiation is already ongoing. So we are not expecting all of those stuff anymore. I believe in the next 5 to 6 months, market is going to boom aggressively. Now, you may be asking me the question of when am I expecting the market to have that aggressive pump all the way to the upside, especially if you're looking at when will the altcoin season start, because that is most of the question that people ask. The number one chart you should focus on to know when the altcoin season will start, when that aggressive pump is going to come into the market, is the Bitcoin dominance chart. Look at it right here, BTCUSDT at this very point, and I am on the 1 month chart so that you see things clearly yourself. Look at it. Market has been moving all the way to the upside. So for the altcoin season to start, we need to see this market begin to have aggressive drop all the way to the downside. At least 1 month aggressive drop is enough for the altcoin season to kickstart officially, and the market begin to drop all the way to the downside from then. And we see in 2021, look at it right here, 2021 market moved all the way from here to the downside, and this was the altcoin season in 2021 bull market. Look at it, January 2021, right at this very point. And if you go further a little bit to this very area, it is covered this very point as well, was 2017. Look at it right at this very point. 2017 March is the bull market. This was when the altcoin season started as well. Market dropped all the way to the downside. So the Bitcoin dominant chart is the number one chart you should focus on to know exactly when that aggressive pump is going to come into altcoins so that you can take advantage of it now. The best time to take advantage of it is right now when the pump have not started. Don't wait till you see aggressive pump right here all the way to the downside. If you're waiting for market to come back down, you may not catch that move. Market can just drop all the way to the downside, and that is very important. So the percentage I am expecting the market to go below is, I am expecting this market to go below 60%. Look at it right here. Once the market drop all the way to 60% from here and crash to 60%, then I am very sure the altcoin season is already in play, and market is going to begin to drop all the way to the downside from that time. So personally, in my opinion, from what I am seeing on chain and fundamentally, what I am looking at is for this market from here drop into this very point. Once we close below this 60% mark right here on the Bitcoin dominant chart, then I'm very, very sure that the altcoin season is already in play and the market is going to begin to move all the way to the downside for altcoins to begin to pump aggressively. And the best time to buy, like I said earlier, is right now when altcoins are in their lows. Very, very cheap to buy before that pump come into play, because it's going to definitely come. So I am expecting this month and next month for us to see significant drop in this very Bitcoin dominant chart all the way to the downside, even though we don't see it cross this very 60%. But by September, I am expecting that drop to come in, for that aggressive drop to begin October, November, December this very year. This is my personal opinion on all of this, and this is very, very important. Pay attention to this to be in the right direction of the market. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, link in the description of this very video and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel. Join right now. Link below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.